In today's video, let me show you the way that you can use the Messenger Rooms. Welcome back to this new guide video on how Genic. Rooms is a feature inside of Messenger which allows you to add up to 50 people and then call all of them all at once. If you are using the newest version of Messenger, you would not see a separate section or a separate option of room. Instead, you can create a group and use it as a room instead. Once you're inside of the Messenger app, if you see the camera icon on the top right of the screen, that is the section where you can create rooms. But if you don't, and if you see the pencil icon and the Facebook logo icon, that means you just need to tap on the pencil icon and then tap on the group chat option. This way you can select the people that you want to add in this group chat. Once a group chat is created, you'll be able to tap on one of these icons and start either a voice call or a video call. So this is the now new way of creating rooms inside of Messenger in the newest version. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.